A new day is starting. It's time to get up, Kiki. Kiki wants to go to the bathroom. Let's help him. Kiki is in a rush. Don't play around when using the bathroom. Put the tap Kiki so he can start to use the bathroom. Remember to wipe clean after going to the bathroom. Wow, Kiki feels much better after going to the bathroom. Remember to flush the toilet. Remember to wash your hands after going to the bathroom. Turn on. Turn off the... Apply soap to get rid of bacteria. Let's learn how to wash our hands with Kiki. First, rub your hands palm to palm. And then, wash the back of our hands. Lather and scrub between fingers. Don't forget to wash our wrists. Rinse both hands with running water. Turn off the tap. Be sure to save water. Wow, the hands are so clean now. We're having fun on the grass. Oh, Kiki is dirty all over. He needs to have a bath. Let's help Kiki clean up. Whoosh. It's time to rinse off the bubbles. Add some bath liquid that smells nice. Let's have a bath. Give him a swim float. Drag the toy to Kiki. Here's a new toy. Tap the bubbles and play bubbles with Kiki. Let's get Kiki. Dry off the water so he won't catch a cold. Kiki has taken his bath and he is clean now. It's time to get dressed. Kiki put on his favorite shirt. Huh, the shirt is buttoned wrongly. Help Kiki button each one. The shirt is dressed. Let's also help him put on shoes. Wow, you've done a beautiful bow tie. Look at Kiki. He looks so handsome. And Hank are stacking blocks. They are having a lot of fun. Oh no, Kiki's clothes are so dirty. Let's wash them. Let's do the laundry. Separate white clothes from the colored clothes. A washing machine is a good helper for laundry. Detergent will help your clothes get clean and smell nice. The washing machine is ready. Turn it on and start washing clothes. Been washed. Let's hang them up. Help Kiki lower the laundry rack. Hang the clothes on the rack so they can get plenty of sunlight. clean his face and teeth. Let's help Kiki brush his teeth and wash his face. After eating sweets, remember to brush teeth to get rid of bacteria. Wow, the teeth are white and clean. What a shining and charming smile. Wipe behind his ears as well. Kiki's breath smells fresh now. Played all day. He's a little sleepy. Let's help Kiki take a shower. It's time for a shower. Help Kiki turn on the tap. Rub on soap to get rid of bacteria. Let's get dried quickly so Kiki won't catch a cold. Wow, Kiki is so clean now. It's time to get dressed. Kiki put on his favorite shirt. The shirt is dressed. Let's also help him put on shoes. Wow, you've done a beautiful bow tie. Look at Kiki. He looks so handsome.